Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming physical connections and permissions. Once done, open Google Meet, click the three dots and choose Settings, Audio. Make sure the selected microphone and speaker match your headset or laptop hardware. The mic meter should move when you speak. If it doesn't, switch to another device listed and test again. Also open your system sound settings to confirm the default input/output aligns with what Meet shows, because browser and OS selections must match for audio to work reliably. Next, address browser and software conflicts. You should verify site permissions, allow mic and camera for Meet. Google.com. Once allowed, update your browser and temporarily disable extensions that might block audio. If problems persist, open an incognito window or a different browser like Chrome or Edge to isolate extension issues. Make sure background apps aren't holding the device. Close communication apps that claim audio devices. Finally, restart the browser to refresh device allocation so Google Meet can claim the mic and speakers properly. To finish, reboot your laptop to clear lingering driver or permission locks, then rejoin the meeting and run Meet's test audio. If audio remains garbled, use your OS audio diagnostics, Windows Sound Troubleshooter, or Mac Audio MIDI setup to identify conflicts. Make sure drivers are current, update or reinstall the audio driver if required. If the built-in device still fails, plug in a USB headset or external microphone as a reliable workaround. One tip: mute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.